Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my office, and today I'm going to show you guys this. This is a Logitech H390 headphone, and it's got digital, so it's like a gaming headset, I guess. Computer headset, it says. Computer headset, USB computer headset. So we're going to try this thing out on my computer. I have a MacBook Pro, and let's give this thing a try. Let's see how it opens here. Looks like it's all taped shut. Do I have a knife? No knife. Okay, so here we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, so opening it up. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what the features that I need to talk about. It says it's got a noise canceling mic, inline controls, padded comfort. So we'll kind of go through it and see how it is. So it looks like, I don't think this is safety instructions, not really instructions. There's not a whole lot as far as instructions go. There's the barcode if you need to see that for any reason. But this is what it looks like here. So it's got the wire and it's old school USB connector. And let's try this thing out. So here's the headset here. This is what it looks like here. The pads are fairly squishy. I would say not as squishy as like the Apple AirPod Pro or whatever those are. And then it's got the microphone here, which just goes this way here. So I guess it's going to wear it this way. So fairly comfortable fit. It's not going to say, I'm not going to say it seals off my ears, but let's give this thing a try. I'll connect it up to my computer. And my computer only has USB-C connectors on it, but I have one of these little hubs that converts it to whatever. So let's plug it in and give it a listen. Sorry, you guys can't really hear it. You're going to have to just listen to me, trust me. But let's see, I've got it on there. I hear nothing. Let's increase my volume here and change my sound to, it says Logi USB headset, so it does find it. So that's good. There we go. I hear myself talking. So I'm just watching a YouTube video. But let's see how I can do it here. It's actually a pretty nice sound. I don't know if I can put this on here if it makes anything. I don't know if you can really tell, but it does sound good as far as, I don't think it's a noise canceling ear set. It just maybe on the headphones, but let's see what these buttons do here. Yep, when I push the up and down here, it does change the volume on my computer. I see it going. If I push the button in the middle, I'm guessing it's probably muting my headset, but I'm not on a call or anything, so it doesn't make a difference there. It looks like those are the only options. It's got a little clip on it, so you can clip it on your shirt or something if you wanted to. But it seems kind of cool. I like it. So, and it looks like it's got a decent sized wire. Let's see how long this wire is. So I would say it's about a 5-foot wire, probably 6 feet when it's all said and done as far as the whole length, because I'm almost 6 feet tall. So I guess I don't need to be hearing it, but it's pretty cool. It looks like it's adjustable here, so it'll fit people with big heads. It's not squeezing too hard on me. You can kind of see, but it seems comfortable, and I would say it's good. Nice headset. It's not fully featured with anything too fancy, I guess. I don't know. I guess the noise canceling would be on the microphone, so that would be the difference as far as anything like that. But I'll give it a few tries maybe and try it out on the computer as I'm doing some voiceovers, and we'll see how that goes. And I will update in the description or as a comment if there's anything to add, but seems okay to me. So I'm going to say thumbs up for me on this headset. Seems good. So links in the description. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.